The Shure Microflex MXN5W network ceiling loudspeaker integrates seamlessly with Microflex advanced array microphones and IntelliMix DSP to provide high-quality speech reproduction for AV conferencing applications. The plenum-rated low-profile design allows easy installation in drop ceiling configurations. Just one cable carries Dante audio, control, and PoE or PoE Plus power, eliminating the need for an outboard amplifier. Integrated DSP utilities including EQ, delay, a limiter, and a built-in signal generator provide flexibility in setup and configuration. With Shure audio encryption, audio connections between every Shure component in the room are secure. Dante Domain Manager compatibility allows access to be controlled, providing peace of mind for confidential meetings. Designer System Configuration software allows you to visualize speaker coverage alongside mic coverage. System On Audio Asset Management software allows remote management and troubleshooting of all Shure network devices through one convenient portal. The MXN5W network ceiling loudspeaker and the entire Shure network system product portfolio deliver premium audio performance with unmatched ease of deployment.